series, Best Buy. It's all about decoding expiration dates. And this morning, we're going into the medicine cabinet. ABC's Mara Schiavocampo is here with more on that. Good morning to you, Mara.
Good morning, Lara. The big question, when can you throw things out? There are some telltale signs. For example, if your medicine has changed color or consistency, it is time to toss it. But it's not always so clear-cut. A lot has to do with whether you're storing it in the right place. And guess what? Chances are you're not. The Bosshart family has no shortage of medicine. 2 fully stocked medicine cabinets with a mix of over-the-counter and prescription drugs for pretty much whatever ails them.
We have anti-inflammatories, pain relievers, muscle relaxers.
But like so many of us, Mom Emily wonders just when it's time to toss these drugs and replace them. Joined by our chief health and medical editor, Dr. Besser, we visit their home in Ridgewood, New Jersey.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
Emily.
First stop, the medicine cabinets.
Whoa, a lot of medications.
Turns out nearly half of the family's medicine is expired.
Asthma medicine, expired 2011. EpiPen, for severe allergic reaction, expired 5 years ago.
2018. This one's good.
So does the expiration date mean it's time to toss these meds? For critical, life-saving prescriptions like EpiPens, heart drugs, blood pressure, and asthma meds, yes, it is imperative to stick to the dates marked to ensure full potency.
This is something that you don't want to be counting your life on.
Same rules for antibiotics. Those should be immediately tossed when done. But what about over-the-counter drugs? Many experts say using expired over-the-counter headache and other medication in pill form may be fine.
Something's expired. It's not going to hurt you. It just might not help you the way it's supposed to.
For most things, that's true. They're not going to become dangerous, but you're not as certain that they're going to work. And a lot of that depends on where you're storing it.
The best place for storage? A cool and dry spot, like a linen closet, not your bathroom.
The heat, the humidity in the bathroom, that's going to lead to a breakdown in drugs faster than it otherwise would. Any drug that smells funny, the color's changed, it doesn't look right, you don't want to use that.
Still, you should never buy expired medication. We tagged along as the New York City Department of Consumer Affairs inspected pharmacies for expired products, finding 4 bottles of expired Motrin in one shop and expired children's medicine in another. Keeping an eye on expiration dates, the prescription for a healthy medicine cabinet. Okay, so just how often should you go through your medicines? Experts say twice a year is fine. And Lara, one really easy way to remember that is when you change your clocks, when you set them forward or back, go through your medicine cabinet, make sure that everything looks
That is a great idea. A lot of great tips in there. And Dr. B is back. And you have revealed that sometimes you do use expired over-the-counter medicines.
That's right. I'll use fever medicine, pain medicine, allergy medicine. It depends somewhat on your level of comfort because the companies only test them to that expiration date. But if you're storing them properly, like you heard, they should be fine and they won't be
Cool,
dangerous.
dry place like a linen closet,
Exactly.
not in a bathroom where there's moisture. So what do you do? How do you get rid of expired medication?
Very important. You
Okay.
don't want anyone to get into those medications, and you don't want the drugs to get into the water supply. So here's what you do. You open up a Ziploc bag, you take your medications, and you dump them into the
I have
Ziploc
a lot
bag.
of these, so
There you go.
I'm going to have to do this.
Easily. You don't dump them on the floor because then little kids will get into them and your pets.
No, then you have a happy puppy.
Then you take some used coffee grounds or kitty litter. You put that in there to make it very unpalatable.
Yeah.
You add water to that.
So that's going to ruin it.
Yep. You seal it up.
Seal it.
Very good. Then you mix it up. It's going to dissolve those pills. The coffee grounds or kitty litter will absorb the drug. Then you can throw it away very safely.
Safely. All right. Great tips, Dr. Besser. We thank you.
My pleasure.
Great meet today for Dr. Bing.
Very good.